Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you, beta?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
All are well and safe?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how is your day? Hi. How is your day, beta?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Today is MEA's exam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so everyone is ready for exam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is ready. Today is maths exam, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is your last lecture. After then you can do the practice of math. And I think in your math classes you already did the practice. So now we will start. Good morning, beta. Firstly, we will start our Gayatri Mantra. Okay, and we'll do exercise and start our lecture. Okay, everyone. So everyone, turn on your join your hand. Everyone, turn on your beta. Turn on your video. Now everyone, close your eyes. Join your hand. One, two, three, and start. Hari Bode, Hari Bode, Yo Nah Prachodayat. Now rub your hand, everyone. Spread on your eyes. Okay, now everyone, hold your ears. Pull it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, beta. What about you?
Ma'am, I am also fine.
Okay, beta. So now we will start our lecture.
मैम आज आपकी आईडी चेंज हो गई है मैम. शीला मैम.
No, beta. Only name is changed.
मैम.
Only name is changed. ID is same.
मैम thought of the day. मैम.
Yes, beta.
मैम thought of the day. शीला मैम.
Yes, beta.
मैम can I give the thought of the day?
What happened, beta?
डाउट मैं आपसे पूछूं.
बेटा राइटिंग.
Excuse me, ma'am.
सबकी आवाज एक साथ.
Excuse me, ma'am.
This is the thought of the day, Delcy Dory. Success is the not key of happiness. Happiness is the key of success. If you love what you do, you will be success. Okay, very good, Delcy. This is our today's thought. Success is the not key of happiness. Okay, happiness is the key of success. It means खुशी का जो रास्ता है वो सक्सेस ही नहीं है. खुशियों से हमें हमारे लिए सक्सेस का रास्ता निकलता है. ओके, इफ वी लव व्हाट यू डू, अगर हम उस चीज से प्यार करते हैं जिस काम को हम करते हैं, इट मीन्स इफ वी लव टू अवर वर्क वी विल सक्सेस, तो हम जरूर सक्सेस होंगे. ओके, so this is our today's thought. Success is the not key of happiness. Happiness is the key of success. If we love what you do, if you love what you do, you will be success. Okay. Now next is, yes बेटा, एग्जाम में ओनली MCQ ही आएंगे. ओके शुभम. Okay everyone. So now we will start our lecture. Everyone is ready? Have you any doubt in chapter 1 history? Today we will start revision from chapter 1 history. What, when, how, what, where, how and when. What, where, how and when. We will start our first chapter from history. Okay, done. Done beta, everyone is ready? No doubt? किसी को कोई भी डाउट नहीं है? Share your screen. Okay, but why beta? Today I am going to ask the question. Today I am going to ask the question beta, so no need to see the textbook. Okay. Okay beta. So first question, everyone is ready? What is called history? First question is, what is called history? What is called history? Study of past beta. Study of past. What is called history? Not our past, it's a study of past. It's a study of past. Study of past. Study of past. Okay, done. Now next question is, which are the subjects of past which we need to read? My screen is blurred. No beta. My question is, yes, here is the correct answer. Yagni's answer is correct. What people eat, where they live, the kinds of clothes they wear. These are our subjects which we need to read about the past. Okay, don't be confused. Okay. Okay. Everyone give this answer again. Which are the subjects which we need about to read the past? Okay. Now next is next question is, what is called manuscript? 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 Give your answer, everyone. Okay, the script that's written on palm leaf and brick. Okay. Okay, manuscript is are handwritten records written on the palm leaf and bark of which tree? Okay, correct answer. Abhay, we cannot write here only handwritten script. We have to clarify that where these handwritten records are written. On the leaf. Leaf of palm and bark of brick. Okay, now what is the meaning of manuscript? What is the meaning of manuscript? What is the meaning of manuscript? Handwritten, okay? Handwritten. Beta Subham, meaning of manuscript is handwritten, okay? Okay, now next question is, name the river along which bank people started to live as gatherers or hunters. Name the rivers along which bank people started to live as a gatherer or hunter. Okay, Narmada River, correct. Okay, now name the hills where men and women firstly grow wheat and barley about 8,000 years ago. About 8,000 years ago. No, not Garo Hills. Yes, it's a Suleiman and Kirthar Hill. Suleiman and Kirthar Hills. Okay, it's a Suleiman and Kirthar Hills. Okay, now next is where is Garo Hills located in present time? Where is Garo Hills? Where is Garo Hills? Northeast in Assam and Assam state. Northeast in Assam state in present time. Okay, now next is name the animals which were reared by the people in the hilly areas. Name the animals which were reared by the animals. Cattle, goat, sheep, etc. Okay. Cattle, goat, sheep, etc. Okay. Okay. Now next is next question is beta, people who read the word record, who read the word record known as people who read the word records such as manuscript, inscriptions, and find out about the past known as, yes, Kruti's answer is correct. Beta, word records, I clarify here, word records, the written records known as the historians. Archaeologists read about the object of the past and historians read and take out the information from the written records. Written records. Okay. Now name any 4 subjects of archaeologists which they study. Any 4 subjects or things. Subject means you have to write about the things which archaeologists study. Bones. Okay, Janil. 4. Any 4 beta. Subham, not write here SS beta, subject. Which subject word I use here? It means the object which they use to study. Bones of animals, remains of trees, ornament, buildings, okay, forts, sculpture, tools. Okay, these are the correct answers. Okay, now next is What do you mean by anno domini? 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 In the year of Lord. In the year of Lord, beta. The correct meaning, the pure meaning of anno domini is in the year of Lord. In the year of Lord. Okay, now next question is, ready for the next question? Now you have a one sentence question. Give any one difference between manuscript and inscriptions. Difference between manuscript and inscriptions. Write everyone, you have a 1 minute, write your answer, the difference between manuscript and inscriptions. Done everyone? Difference between manuscript and inscriptions. You have a 1 minute, everyone type your answer. You can write only one difference. One difference, everyone did the answer? Yes, manuscript is right in palm of leaf. A leaf of palm. And inscriptions are written on hard surface such as stone and metal. Okay, all are giving correct answer. Okay, beta. Okay. Now next question. Why do you think ordinary man and woman did not generally keep records of what they did? One reason you can give here, why do you think ordinary man and woman did not generally keep records of what they did? Everyone write your answer. Everyone write your answer. Everyone, yes, I'm waiting, beta. Everyone have to write. Why do you think ordinary man and woman did not generally keep records of what they do? Yes, done everyone? Why do you think ordinary man and woman did not generally keep records of what they did? Okay. Because it is not easy to write written record on hard surface. Okay, it was not a easy task. Okay. Because on that time, it was not a easy task to maintain the records and write the records on a hard surface. Okay. That was the reason. Now, how? Okay. Now, next question is, how people survive on island? It means in which occupation they engaged. On an island, people engaged in which occupations? In which occupation? Write all the occupation of the island peoples. Hunting, gathering food, okay, and farming, fishing, farming, hunting, gathering. Subham, you don't worry about the beta, you do your work. You do your work, beta, fishing, gathering, farming, etc. Okay. Okay, now next question is, okay, now next question is, how the life of farmer is different to the ruler? How is the life of farmer is different to the ruler? How is the life of farmer is different to the ruler? How life of the farmer is different to the ruler? Okay. Write your answer. How is the life of farmer was different to the ruler? Yes, because farmer work whole day for earning money and ruler do not. Okay, farmers did not keep records. Rulers keep records. Okay. Okay. The main, I have told you when you have to write only one difference between farmer and ruler, then you have to say, write there, rulers has, rulers, the work of ruler is to protect the people and the work of farmer is to provide food for all. Main difference, rulers main work is to protect the people and the farmer's work is to produce food. Okay. Now next question is, what is the full form of BCE? 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 Okay, before Common Era. Before Common Era. Okay. Now next question is, what is the full form of CE? What is the full form of CE? Okay, it's a Common Era. Okay, done. Okay, now next question is, in which Vedas the name of India, Bharata, is mentioned? In which Veda? Okay. In which Veda? In which Veda? Okay, correct answer. Rig Veda. In Rig Veda, it is written. Okay, now what is the Sanskrit name of Indus? 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 No, beta. not Indus. Yes, Akshar, it's Sindhu. Indus River is known as Sindhu in Sanskrit. Indus River known as Sindhu in Sanskrit. Okay. Now next question is who gave the name Indian to our country? 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 Okay, Greeks and Iranians. Greek and Iranians. Okay, now next question is Bharata word was used for which group of people in India? Bharata word was used for which group of people in India? No, not northeast. It's a northwest. It's a northwest. Northwest. It's a northwest. Now next question is Krishna, off your video beta. An old inscription which found near Kandahar is written in which two languages? The old inscription which found in Kandahar, which is 2250 years old, is written in which language? No, Vishwa. Yes, Greek and Aramaic language. It is written in Greek and Aramaic language. It is written in Greek and Aramaic language. Okay. Only few students gave the answer. Everyone give this answer. No, next question, beta. Firstly, everyone, you have to give answer. Only few students are giving answer. Why? Others are, you don't want your internal marks, beta? Yes, Greek and Aramaic language. Okay. And old inscriptions found in Kandahar. Present day it is in Afghanistan. It was inscribed on the orders of a ruler named Ashoka. And you will read about him in chapter number 8. Okay. You will read about the Ashoka in chapter number 8. And this inscription was written in two languages, Greek and Aramaic. Top part is written in Greek and bottom is written in Aramaic language. Okay, can you give any one advantage of the inscription? Can you give one advantage of the inscriptions? Can you give anyone advantage of inscriptions? It can be survive for many years. It means इस पर लिखे हुए रिकॉर्ड कई हजारों साल तक रह सकते हैं safely. It can be survive for many years. Okay, बेटा done. Okay, done. Now next is give the name of language in which manuscripts are written. Give the name of language in which manuscripts are written. Manuscripts are written. Okay, Prakritik, Tamil and Sanskrit. The main language is Sanskrit, after then Prakritik and Tamil. It's Prakrit, not a Prakritik. It's a Prakrit. Okay, Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil language. Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil language. Done? Okay. Now next question. What are the subject of inscriptions? What are the subject of inscriptions? What are the subject of inscriptions? What are the subject of inscriptions, beta? What are the subjects of inscriptions? Means inscriptions जो लिखे जाते थे वो मोस्टली किन चीजों के बारे में लिखे जाते थे? यस ध्यानी, रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ विक्ट्री in battle and messages to villagers. It means the orders of the king. The orders of the king for villagers and records of victory in the battles, etc. Everyone write this answer. Okay, now next question is, what do you mean by the epics? मैंने epics की meaning बताई थी आपको. What is called epics? What is called epics? No, not unique. Epics means no, not after present. Epics means listen. Epics means Mahakavya. In Hindi it is known as Mahakavya. It means long poem. Okay? Epics and poems both are different. Poems are small poems and epics are long poems. Okay? Epics is known as Mahakavya in Hindi. Long poems, beta, not poems. Like as Mahabharata. Okay? Okay, everyone. Done, beta. So now in homework, today we will do again the revision of this chapter. Okay. In your homework, you have to read this chapter again. Okay. I will also ask you this chapter's question, and also I will ask you the worksheet questions. Okay. So read the question and answer or all the exercise or worksheet for oral test of chapter number 1, history. Okay, everyone. Now take care, beta. Goodbye.